Just us versus the world's greatest flatground skater. Why? There's too much pressure! The world's best. What are you gonna do? I got this trick, dude. All right, guys, we are super excited today to have the world's best, foremost, world's greatest flatground skater in the entire world versus all of us, the entire Braille team, which somehow, over the last 10 minutes, dwindled down to Uzi, Carlos, and myself. Chris got hurt earlier. So he's gonna judge. Nigel had to go fix his car. And Aussie Dan left too? So it's just us versus the world's greatest flatground skater. So I'm gonna represent these guys. Jonathan Geiger. I don't know if I even said his name yet. Johnny Geiger. If you haven't seen his channel, you guys are blowing it.
Is it Johnny or Yanni?
Johnny.
Johnny, okay.
What this?
Just want to double check that.
He's trying right now to get into your head. Don't let it happen. On 3. Here in America, we do it on 3. You ready? No! We're done.
You had one job.
We're done. We need to make this video long enough for you guys, so we're gonna play to skateboard. The rules are, he does a trick, all of us get a try. Don't kill us off all at once, please.
No.
That's a letter for popping too high.
He almost punched me in the face. Yeah, boy. Nollie 180.
Well,
Uzi, let's go.
I would have been out already.
I need this warm up.
Wow, you're looking fine.
Hey, thanks.
Oh!
We almost all missed
Defense
that.
on Aaron's.
The
Saw that
world's-
toe.
Our best defense is looking a little wobbly today.
Geiger, no! Bad Geiger. Fork. Oh, go ahead. Go, Uzi. No, Geiger, no! I said not all at once.
Let's go, Uzi!
No, wait, Uzi, no.
Uzi's amazing at nollie
Team huddle,
trade.
get up. Team huddle, get over here. I know, hold on, team. Get over here. We got a strategy, dude. Okay, when he lands a trick, we do the person that's worst at it first. Yes, yeah, exactly. And the person that's best at it last. Okay. Because then you get a C and then you're like, you know what I mean? Yeah. You go first, you're like, oh, we just got this, boom.
But then it puts all the pressure on the best person if they don't.
That's what I'm saying,
That's
dude.
bad.
Let's go, Denver Broncos, 1984.
That was good.
You are absolutely glowing.
I feel good, man.
Wait, switch hill?
Aaron, you're first.
I'm not the worst at every trick. I got this trick, dude. Oh! Let's go! I can't wait to see Uzi.
Oh!
What in the world?
So good. It's like this big.
My
The world's
goodness.
best nollie flip. Wait, I'm good at that. Go, Uzi. I told you. Good thing we have Carlos. Do you see how good his nollie flip was, though? Switch.
Yeah. Regular.
Regular? Okay, no, Carlos, what are you doing? We got a strategy. I'm gonna kick him off the team if he messes my strategy up one more time. I'm going first, I'm the worst at that. Oh. Once every 5 years I land that. He doesn't want to go. He just says, Johnny, go.
Team meeting!
Team meeting, let's go.
So Aaron, the blessings on defense of using a team is your worst enemy on offense because you have to let Uzi have a try every two. I'm kidding.
I think we start this
No,
out.
I'm kidding,
In front of the
Uzi.
lights, I did miss like every trick.
You know what? Let's show Gabe what time it is.
You do have to alternate though.
Uzi, switch flip. right here.
Uzi can't switch flip. Stop embarrassing him.
Right now, he's gonna prove to you that he can.
He's stressing out. Look at him.
No! Yeah. No!
I don't know.
What do you guys think? Okay.
Anytime now.
He knows my weakness, my weak spot.
That's probably the best frontside flip I've ever done.
His weakness.
Yeah, right. That was so good.
So wait, do we alternate like this?
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's Carlos.
Ref.
That's good.
Uzi, you're up.
You got this, dude. Anything you got.
I think we all want to see that one happen.
I do.
I'm the worst at this, he says. Never missed it once, he says.
Wow.
Dang it!
So straight up, bro.
Dang, dude! Uzi? What is he doing?
He's dancing.
Oh no!
Oh, look at that hand.
That was good.
A late varial heel flip. I think I'm the worst at this. Woo! Was that it? Ah!
Aaron.
Oh, it's my trick? Hanging on by an inch. Dang it, Geiger! The world's best. What are you gonna do?
Oh, how can I miss that?
It was like a frontside 180 impossible. Kind of cross your feet and... I was actually kind of close.
All right, we'll send it. Wait, wasn't that?
I don't know. If anything, use a rebate.
I'm okay with it.
Ref, call it. You have supreme power.
I'm gonna say, he's gonna try again. I was gonna say, there you have it.
Let her.
This was my official decision.
Oh.
I was like a toe drag.
He's trying to play a gentleman's game. I actually do got this. I learned it once. Made a video called, I Learned This from Johnny Geiger.
Why did I...
Oh!
I haven't missed one of those today.
Look, it's Uzi's turn. He just did a little dance. No!
He's on the board.
There we go.
I like that.
Woo!
That shook. Board.
This is insane.
Game on. What in the world? Judge
Sorry.
wants a rebate.
Your toes touched. No, they didn't.
I would have given that to him. To be honest. No, I didn't see a toe touch.
It don't matter. Realize the only person that's got him a letter is Uzi. After all the unkind things you said about him. Bro, whose turn is it? Mine? What do I do? Finisher?
3 flip revert.
Right now?
Yeah.
We could save that for later, no?
I don't think you're gonna get to that.
I knew it! I knew it! Ah, I got that all day. Do that in my sleep.
Wow.
Yeah, we only got A. We're still in this.
What?
Ooh.
Okay for Johnny.
Let's go, Uzi. Give me that dolphin flip.
I blame you, Crane.
I feel bad. I could have sworn he toe touched though. I'm just trying to be fair.
I got
The
this.
daydream flip.
Oh, I almost did it.
Oh, we only got T. Oh, thank you. That's easy. I got that. Bro. Good defense. Just a foot down. It's a big deal. Woo!
Let's go, Carlos.
Carlos, don't be injured on me here. What the fork? Yeah, Troy's fault. Troy's in the way.
Troy, were you taking a picture of him?
It's a B for the Braille boys.
Yeah, boy.
Wow.
I got you, dude. It was varial flip, late shove.
No, every trick he tries is not that far off.
I feel like he can do most of these tricks, yeah.
Whoa, that was almost it.
All right, guys, I got this. Gabe, remember that time today I learned? Mario, not only higher. And I did it, remember? I need that. Give me the luck of the gab. What are you doing? You just grabbed my...
That was an interesting experience for sure. Do it for Mario!
That was close.
That's an A, that's not a big deal. 2 letters left.
Wow.
Who's up? It's me? I think I know what he can't do.
I'd go for that.
I know, but I'm not landing it.
Just do it. You're overthinking.
Okay.
Double ollie.
There's too much pressure! Dang it, Geiger. We're really throwing ourselves out there.
Wow.
Fork, that's hard.
The final letter.
Don't do it, dude.
Dolphin
that?
heel?
Dude, he wants that.
Wait, whose turn is it? Uzi, dolphin flip. Dang it.
Look what you did to him, Chris.
It's my turn? Woo! Dang, girl. Yes. I got him a single letter.
Let's go, little Thulu. Oh!
T for Geiger.
What in the world?
I'm gonna try something I haven't done in a while.
Really hard. Trey triple? Finally we got a game on our hands. Before it was just a mob militia.
What?
No! Dang it.
That is a mean move.
I know.
That is a mean move.
It's his one weakness. Backside bigger spin.
That is the meanest.
You got a lot of letters to go.
Yeah, I got something.
Dang, Judge. Yes. A Cthulhu flip. Whatever you want, Uzi. You are your own unicorn, and a very special one.
Oh, we like that.
That was good.
That was so good.
Oh my God.
Geiger!
He just shut us down.
All right, this one is for you.
Okay, I got
I
that.
literally can't even fathom that trick. Everyone has 2 tries.
This is our last letter?
Yep. Oh, you can do that.
Just broke both of my angles. No big deal.
Oh.
It was the wind. There's like amazing gusts that came in.
It all comes down to me. What can you expect when you're playing the world's greatest?
You guys did really well against him, though.
We did really
halfway
good.
down.
We got him to skate. We got us to skateboard. That's no big deal. We're all winners here. Everyone's a winner. All right, guys, if you want to see more of the world's best flat ground street skating, go to Johnny Geiger, or just incredible street skating, period. But you got to watch the Flatground project. It is mind-blowing. It literally is. So the link will be in the description below. Go to his channel, click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell, the notifications, and just watch. You make a lot of videos. They're incredible, right?
Yes.
He doesn't, he doesn't want to say. But I'll say he does, so go check him out. And leave him a comment and say, thanks for coming to Braille. Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn to skate. This is the most fun we've ever had. So you, yes, you should learn to skateboard. You just should. Just get a skateboard and learn how to use it.
I thought you were talking about Gabe.